Welcome. In today's guide, we're diving into how to create your very own stickers on WhatsApp. It's quick, fun, and adds a personal touch to your chats. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in, select any chat where you'd like to create and send your custom sticker. It can be an individual or group chat, your choice. Next, look at the typing area. On the left side, you'll see the emoji icon. Tap on it. This will open up a menu where you can access emojis, GIFs, and stickers. Now, switch to the sticker section by tapping on the sticker icon. Here's where the magic begins. You'll notice an option labeled Create. Tap on it to start making your custom sticker. At this point, you'll need to select a photo from your device. Choose any image that you want to transform into a sticker. It could be a funny picture, a selfie, or anything else that sparks creativity. Once you've selected the photo, WhatsApp will automatically process it into a sticker format. You can make any final adjustments if needed. When you're happy with how it looks, simply tap Send to share your new creation in the chat. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a custom sticker on WhatsApp. It's an easy way to personalize your conversations and make them more engaging. Thanks for tuning in. Now go ahead and unleash your creativity with custom WhatsApp stickers.